Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Off-grid living in winter. That's quite a few inches since yesterday. And it's wet, so it's definitely thicker than, it was more snow than what it appears because it's compacting now. I need to get one of those swimming pool brooms with an extension handle or something, but this is a regular thing as much as it snows. I get the bottom panel done first and then I can reach up and try to get the top. It helps to clear off space. See, I can barely reach. I can't really reach up there. I gotta try to get some power in those batteries. There's no sunlight, so I've got to get every little bit I can today going on out here. If I can't clear off the top panel entirely, I won't be able to have any power from it at all. Blocking diodes will shut it down. Oh, it's heavy. It's very heavy. Wet. And see, I can't get that top corner. If I can't get that top corner, the blocking diodes will shut down that whole row up there. There it is. But I won't be able to get this one at all. We haven't seen sun in days, so we're being very, very sparing. Sure, we have grid power, but I don't want to use grid power because they're still overcharging us since when I did the cryptocurrency mining. They raised our fees, and it's outrageous. It's absolutely insane. It's double what it was last year, and that's just not right. And so I'm not using it. It's there for emergency, but I have no desire to pay outrageous fees for nothing. We don't need that much power. So I'd rather sweep the solar panels and be sparing on cloudy days. And some people say, well, why don't you just use the energy grid? All that work and all that trouble. Isn't it easier to just use the power? Why? Why pay for something that you already have? Why? It just doesn't make sense. This isn't that much inconvenience. You know, most of you guys, you drive to work and you go to your job and you work for others, and this is my job. So, and I'm recording what I'm doing, so I'm earning money doing that, and this is my job. So I enjoy it though. Well, anyway, I'm gonna finish this up. And the cat is playing with the snow falling off the panels. It's cute. Alright, I got most of it, and you might see up here it's starting to slide down. The other one is too. Once they slide down far enough, I'll be able to scoop them off. They're coming. And then I'll have fully cleared panels. And with the snow on the ground, we have a sort of light amplification effect. So we have a decent amount of energy available, although the sun isn't really shining. It helps a lot. Of course, there's the electronic slab solar panels as well. Can't forget them. A little bit deeper out here. They weren't as disturbed. Keep those batteries topped off. Need to readjust the panels angles too. I haven't seen the sun in forever. Clean them right off good, because any little bit that sticks on there is going to hold more snow the next time it comes down and make it harder to clean off. So that's the key. And again, the blocking diodes, we don't want them to shut down any of the panels or the solar cells in the panels. You can see it's just about freezing today, which is good. Gives me the chance to get this cleaned up. Alright, that'll be good. At least with all this bright white everywhere, we'll get something. Well, sadly, right after I did this video, it got dark as you see, and froze. And there it sits. I tried to brush that off. It slid down a little bit, both of them did. And that's it. But I did have 6 good solar panels pulling in full sunlight today. And that's it. Done. And it's snowing now. It's starting to snow again. So, well, we're full on in winter. Full on winter. Off the grid, homestead, in full blast winter. This is how it is. Hey guys. Oh, cold, 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 cold. This is opening day, 2018. And it's cold. It was 17 degrees this morning. And, well, I didn't feel anything by the time I came in. I think it's 10 o'clock in the morning now. And I went in, had a coffee break, and literally held myself against the wood stove for a while, and I'm starting to feel my hearts again. There were only about 3 shots fired this morning, so it was a very quiet opening day so far. And it being Thursday, I think that people haven't come up yet. A lot of the cabins here are still empty, and it's been relatively quiet so far. So my guess is this weekend the hunting pressure is going to be pretty heavy. And so I have an opportunity now to take advantage of that and try to get my deer. Where I was, there was a lot of deer traffic in the snow, but not a lot of movement this morning. It was bitter, bitter cold last night. It was the coldest night of the year so far, I think. And so there wasn't much, like I said. And that's opening day so far. Now, I will be out there in the woods this afternoon, and I will be out there again at dusk to see if I can get meat on the table. I am doing a lot more videos on my tactical channel recently, so you might want to go check that out. TR Tech Tactical and Survival. And I may do my... Now right now I have to be careful what words I say because I don't want to get my main channel harmed in any way. I may do the videos on my tactical channel of taking care of my food for my table. so to say, providing my own food. So that I may do on that channel on my DIY tube video community site. So I'll put the link down below. I can't do it on YouTube because it might take a hit for that, but I can put it on my DIY tube video community pages and on my TR Tech Tactical and Survival channel. So there you'll see everything if I decided to go ahead and do that on video. So I may do some action videos. I may get my action camera out there and show you what things are like. May do some footage if I get something. We'll see. I'm gonna play it by ear and decide how it goes. And you guys tell me if you want to see that type of videos or not. Those who don't want to see it don't have to follow it, and that's the great thing, because it's going to be on a separate site on my own channel on that site. So let me know if you want to see it or not, guys, and I'll make up my mind based on viewer response. And over there I can say what I want and do what I want. We keep it a clean site, but still I can say and do what I want without fear of retribution or restriction or whatever getting my channel shut down. But anyway, the solar power is it's overcast, but we have some power because of the white snow all over the place. I do need to adjust these panels, but everything has been about preparing for the hunt the past couple days. The previous segment of this video was 2 days ago when we had all the heavy snow which was coming down, and then I wanted to do another segment on that video which I haven't got to yet. Maybe today or tomorrow. I'm going to set up a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet inside the off-grid tiny house on the 24-volt power line, so that I can take that then little voltmeter that plugs in the cigarette lighter and put it on the 24-volt line and monitor that at all times of day or night without walking all the way out here, opening up the covering and looking at my meter directly, my solar power charge controller. Also, I'm going to run a network cable from the solar powered charge controller to the inside the tiny house and hook it into my computer so I can monitor all the stats and share them with you again like I used to back in the motorhome days, when I was able to upload to the internet all the stats of how much power I got in a day, how much voltage was coming in, how much power was coming in at that time. It was really good to be able to follow that information, and I'm going to do that again, and maybe even set up a dedicated web page where that is available for people to see at any given time. I think that is quite unique in the online world, and I've never seen such a thing that anybody's done that before, showing their real-time live results on the internet, if I can pull it off with connecting the charge controller to the internet to a web page. If I can figure out how to do that, that would be awesome to have people see what are real world results in a winter cloudy day in Michigan with snow on the ground, or in a sunny Michigan winter day, or a rainy day, or a beautiful summer day, at any times of day or night. So that'll be pretty cool. So anyway, we're going to be working on that in the next day or so. I just wanted to let you know why it's been quiet around here recently. My videos are slowing down a bit, and I'm hoping to keep knocking out some videos, but you know, it's hunting season and I'm out freezing my stuff off. So anyway, I will talk to you later. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world and the Off-Grid Project. I'll talk to you later.